Asset fields are used to describe and distinguish your assets. GrayTrunk does come set up with predefined asset fields and some default asset fields. You can choose the asset fields that you want to include to describe your assets by clicking the check mark and clicking Save. If you want to add custom fields, you can easily do this. Click the Add Custom Fields button and choose the field type. For this example, we're going to do a radio button. We're going to put the field name as new asset. The choice is yes and no. We can choose to have this for limited categories, or we can have this show for all categories. Click Add to add the new custom field. We'll go through this again, this time for single line text. We'll input the field name iOS. We'll choose to have this data required, have it searchable, and we will limit this field type for our laptops only. We'll now click Add to add our new custom field. You can continue adding as many custom fields as you would like. Please note the different field types: numeric, single line text, drop down, date, radio button, and checkbox. We'll add another example here, this time using the date field type. We'll input a field name called calibration date and limit this to only show for tools, equipment, and machinery. We'll hit Add to save the new custom field.